Bhanuprasad, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering in MBA College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about introduction to lathe, define lathe, and classifications of lathe, and what are the different parts of lathes. So these kind of topics we will discuss for today. So first of all comes to here. So what is the history of lathe machine? So history we have. So each and every mission, first of all, they have some of the history. So comes to late mission. So the late missions also have some history. So what is that one means? So the origin of turning dates to around 1300 BC. 1300 BC. So when the Egyptian first developed a two-person lathes. First of all, in basics of this one. So they first of all they introduce a first two-person lathe one. First of all, they develop two-person lathe one. One person would turn the woodwork piece one with the rope one, while the other person used a sharp tool one to cut the shape in the woodwork. So in this one, two persons. First of all, the history of the lathe machine. So two persons we have. So two persons one. So one person is turn the wood piece one with the rope one. So while the other is used as sharp the tool to cut the shape, sharp the tool to cut the shape in the woodwork. So it is the one of the basic summa. So the Romans improved the Egypt design with the addition of the turning bow. So early bow lathes were also developed and used in the Germany, France, and Britain. So these kind of countries, first of all, they are used the lathe machine. First of all, in 1300 BC, so when the Egyptian first developed a two-person lathe work. So in 1300 BC only, they are developed, they are this kind of machineries. So in Egyptian, first of all, so first they are developed two-person lathe. So two persons they are using, one person used for the one person used for the woodwork piece. For second person is to sharp the tool and cut the tool. So that is the first cutting of the machining process of lathe machine. So they are improved. The Romans improved this one. First of all, two persons lathe one they are introduced. So after then, the Romans improved this design one, additional of the turning bow. But turning bow also they are introduced one. So early bow lathes were also developed and used in the Germany, France, and Britain. So the developed, first of all, the developed lathe machines they are used for these kind of countries one. So it is the history of one. So history of the lathe machine one. So next one we can see what is the principle of lathe one. So lathe generally lathe machine is a one of the cutting machines this one. So the machine are used to remove the metal from the workpiece one. So it is one of the very important one. So in this lathe machine we can do so many operations. So and the lathe machine also we have some of the classifications also. So in future classes we can discuss about the types of lathe one. So first of all lathe machine principle. So lathe is one of the machine which is used to remove the metal from the workpiece to require shape and size one. So this one we can call as the lathe machine. Lathe is one of the machine. So our total subject is the machining process one. Totally our lathe machine. So metal cutting and machine tools totally easy. So మిషనరీస్ గురించి మీరు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు కంపల్సరీగా యూనిట్ మొత్తం కూడా మొత్తం ఓవరాల్ గా కంపేర్ చేసుకున్న సబ్జెక్ట్ మొత్తం కూడా మిషనరీస్ గురించి ఉంటాయి. సో లేత్ మిషన్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది మిషన్ which is used to remove the metal from the workpiece required shape and the size one. సో లేత్ మిషన్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం మెటల్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో రిక్వైర్డ్ షేప్ అండ్ సైజ్ కోసం రిక్వైర్డ్ షేప్ అండ్ సైజ్ లో కట్ చేసుకుంటా ఉంటారు. సో దట్ వన్ ఏమంటారంటే లేత్ మిషన్ అంటారు. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వీ కెన్ సి components of lathe machines. So what are the basic components of lathe machines? Means so see here. So it is a lathe machine diagram one. So the headstock assembly one. This is a bed one. So it is a lead screw one. It is a lead screw. It is a bed. So bed is the one of the basic sum. These two are beds one. This side left side and right side these two are beds one. So this one is a lead screw. So it is a lead screw one. So next one is we can say this one. This is a carriage hand wheel one. Hand wheel when you rotate is a hand wheel carries a hand wheel one. So next one is a cross slide hand wheel one. It is carries a hand wheel one. It is a cross slide hand wheel one. It is a carriage one. So this one we can call as carriage one. So it is a base both side one. It is a tailstock assembly one. It is a headstock. It is a tailstock one. You have headstock assembly. This one it is a tailstock assembly one. So next one, this one is called as spindle one. So it is a work holder one. This is a workpiece one. Work holder onwards, we can fix the workpiece one. So this one we can call as the workpiece. This one. So next one is it is a tool post one. So this one we can call as tool post one. So it is a cutting tool. So it is a tool amma. It is a tool post. It is a tool one. Next is it is a compound one. So it is a cross slide one. So these are the components for basically we are using in the lathe machine. Based on these components onwards, we are remove the metal from the workpiece. By using these components, you can cut the metal from the workpiece one. So these are the components. So next one we can see types of lathes. So generally these are the basics, general fundamentals and basic principles of lathe today class one. So first of all, what is the different types of lathe means? So the first one is speed lathe. So one of the type is speed lathe. It is the simplest type lathe one. It is mainly used for metal spinning, polishing one. So different types of lathes one we can use it for different types of operations. So first of all is speed lathe one. The speed lathe is used to metal for the spinning and polishing purpose. That one we can call as the speed lathe one. So lathe machine is not only one. Different kind of lathes we can use and different kind of operations will be performed one. So where we can use these kind of means we have different types of applications. So we have each and every lathe machine. We have the different kind of applications we have. So next one is bench lathe. It is a small sized engine lathe one, mounted on a bench one. It is used for turning small and lightweight workpieces one. So it is one of the lathe one. It is mounted on the bench one. It is used for bench lathe is used for see here. So for turning small and lightweight workpieces one. But here speed lathe onwards spinning polishing one. But bench lathe onwards turning small lightweight workpieces one. So this one we can call as bench lathe. So next one is tool room lathe. So it is used for production of small tools, gauges, pitches, and accurate parts in tool room one. So these are this is one of the different type of lathe one, tool room lathe one. It is used for production of the small tools. So tools we have. So in lathe machines, we are used for the tool. So the tool room lathe machines are used to produce the small tools gauges one. So gauges, pitches, and accurate parts in the tool room one. So these kind of parts we can manufacture, we can design in tool room lathe one. So next one we can see turret lathe. So these lathes are used in mass production. The majorly these lathes used for the mass production for heavy duty workpiece one. So in mass production one we have the heavyweight parts one. So the heavyweight parts which lathe machine we can manufacture means go for the turret lathe. By using the turret lathe to manufacture heavy duty workpieces one. It is one of the very important lathe. The next one is capstan lathe. So these lathes are used in the mass production one. So these lathes are also used for mass production, used for light duty workpieces one. So turret lathe used for mass production one. So heavy duty workpiece we can manufacture, but capstan lathe it is also used for mass production, but lightweight, light duty workpieces we can manufacture here. Next one is special purpose lathes. So these lathes are modified of engine lathes. So these lathes are modified of the engine lathe one. So developed for machining special types workpieces one. So here special purpose lathe means so the special purpose lathe machine are used to manufacture the special types of workpieces one. So that's why they introduced this new one. So the special purpose lathe is one of the development of the engine lathe one. Engine lathe they are developed the special purpose lathe one. So next one we can see automatic lathe we have automatic lathe, engine lathe, tracer lathe, computer control lathe, switch type automatic lathe, duplicating layer. So these are the different kind of lathes we can see in lathe mission. So it is our unit is secondary one, lathe mission. Topic is lathe mission. Principles and fundamentals of lathe mission one. So and the types of lathe missions. So lathe missions we have different. These are the different kind of lathe missions. By using these kind of lathe missions to perform different kinds of parts one. So mass production we can use the general purpose also, we can use the tool purpose, we can use the spinning purpose, we can use it for polishing purpose, we can use it. So a different kind of purpose we can use it for these kind of lathe machines. So it is these are the classifications of lathe machine. So next one we can see computer numerical control lathe machine also we have CNC. This one we can call as automatic. It is one of the advanced one nowadays. Mostly this kind of machinery is used in the mass production one. So heavy duty parts one, their manufacturing purpose. These lathes are used to these lathes. By using these lathes, you can get the fast output one. So it is a time consumption process one. So by using the CNC one, so it is one of the time consumption process one. So very fast and accurate purpose we can use in this kind of lathe machines one. So computer numerical control CNC one. So equipped with one or more turrets one. So we have the one or more turrets you can use it in this CNC one. Each turret is equipped with a variety of tools one. So each and every turret one they are set with a variety of tool. So we have the some example. We have the three turret one, three type of tools we are fit in the turret one. Three type of operations it will be performed in the this type of lathe machines one. So performs several operations on different surface of the workpiece one. So see here that is a major point, important point. Performs several operations, different types of operations it will be performed on different surfaces of the workpiece one. So that is a major use of the CNC. So CNC nowadays we are using one. Mostly industries they are preferable one nowadays. Nowadays developed technology one. So it is the major one. So next one we can see first here comes to here lathe one. So lathe parts one here. We are major portion one. So what are the lathe parts we here means? So first of all, see here this one. It is just two are beds one. This one is the bed one. So next one is it is a saddle one. Saddle is one. It's a cross slide. Saddle. It is a saddle one. It's cross slide one. It is saddle handle one. The cross slide. It is saddle. This saddle handle one. So next one is it is emergency stop one. So any default you can see on uh, in operation one, any drawbacks, any kind of drawbacks we can see on this operation one, suddenly we can stop. Use it for this kind of emergency stop one. You can press this one, automatically the engine lathe will be stopped one. So the lathe will be stopped. So next one is motor level. This is motor level one. So motor by using this motor to run the this mission one. So next one is feed shaft. This one. It is a tail stop. Head stock we have tail stock. This one right side onwards we have tail stock. Left side onwards you can see head stock. Is gear levels. So it is motor we are using one. In motor one we are fitting the gears one. Essentially is to change the gear one. Automatically the engine will move very fastly. One gear, two gears, three, four. We have the gears one. When we are using gear one, automatically the performance we can get very fastly. So next one is a check. So this one we can call as check one. It is a coolant supply one. So this one is coolant supply one. This is a tool post one. So this one we can call as tool post one. So it is called as top slide. It is called as top slide. This is a cross slide one. So these are the parts you can see in the lathe machine. So by using these parts, each and every lathe machine, these are the common parts one. So some of the advanced one, the parts will be changing one. So see, these are the parts. Next one we can see another parts also. So the closed diagram of the lathe parts here. So see here, headstock, tailstock is common one. This closed diagram. So very zoom one, nothing but zoom diagram. Nearest casting parts one. Headstock, tailstock we have. It's a check with the steel. So it is a lathe tool one tool here. By using this tool and cut the metal one, it is a cross slide one. It is a pull and supply one. It is a top side. So it is a major parts of the lathe machine. Those are diagram of the lathe machine. This one. Headstock, tailstock is common one. It is chuck, it is steel, pull and supply, top slide, lathe tool, cross slide. So next one we can discuss parts. Each and every parts. What is the function of each and every part means? See here, first one is bed. So supports all major components. Bed, by using the bed to support the all kind of parts. So next one is carriage. What is carriage means? See here. So we have the carriage here. Not in this diagram. So see here. This carriage one. So see here. This carriage. So what is the function of this carriage means? Slides along the waist. It slides along the waist and consists of a cross slide tool post after one. So it consists of a cross slide so tool post one and tool post and after one. So that purpose we can use the cross slide tool post is one or after one. So that purpose we can use it for carriage one. So headstock. Headstock holds the jaws for the workpiece one. So it holds the workpiece holding purpose. You can use it for headstock one. So supplies power to the jaws and the various drive speeds one. So headstock, what is the major function of headstock means? It is holds the jaws for the workpiece one. Supplies power to the jaws and various drive speed purpose. You can use it for headstock one. Next one is tailstock. Tailstock is support the other end of the workpiece one. So headstock and tailstock we have. So holds the jaws for the workpiece one. Holding purpose we can use it for the headstock one. So other end supporting purpose we can use it for the tailstock one. So feed rod and leaf screw. What is the feed rod and leaf screw means? Feed rod is powered by a set of the gears from the headstock one. So the major feed rod is used for powered by a set of gears for the headstock one. So that purpose you can use it for the feed rod one. So next one we can see lathe bed. So lathe bed, it is a lathe bed, heavy rugged casting one. So see here lathe bed made of support work parts of the lathe one. So it is a base of the lathe machine made to support work parts of the lathe one. On top section are mission ways. On top section is mission ways. Guide and aligned major part of the lathe one. So guide and align the major part of the lathe one. We can set it here. So this is the lathe bed one. So next one we can say headstock. It is a headstock one. See here. It is the lathe bed one. Next one is headstock. So this portion we can call as the headstock one. Clamp on left side, left hand end of the bed one. So left hand we have the right side one. Left side one we can see headstock. Right side we can see tailstock one. So the headstock spindle one. So this one is headstock spindle one. Hollow cylindrical shaft supported by bearing one. So next one is provided the drive through the gears to the work holding devices one. So it provides the drive through gears to work holding devices one. So it is the major function of the headstock one. So it is the headstock diagram one. Next one is we can see carriage. So it is used to move cutting tool along lathe bed one. So major what is the function of the carriage means it is used to move the cutting tool. So we have the cutting tool, we have a cutting tool moving purpose, forward and backward moving purpose. We can use the carriage one. It consists of three major parts one. The first one is saddle one. Next one is a cross slide one. This third one is apron one. So our compound rest one. So these are the three parts one. These are the major function of the cross slide one. These one also you can see in the left side of the engine, left side of the lathe part, lathe machine. So it is placed on the left side of the lathe. So this is the used for moving cutting tool along the lathe bed one. So next one is apron. So apron, we can see apron. This is the parts one in apron one. This portion, complete portion, we can call as the apron. We can call as. So in apron one, we can see different types of parts here. The first one is saddle one. It is compound rest screw handle one. It is cross slide one. The split nut lever one. Is automatically fuel lever one. So it is a fuel directional flanger one. It is apron one. After hand wheel one. This is cross speed screw handle. So these are the different kind of parts we can see in the after one. So this kind of parts you can use it for in working of the lathe one. So we can use this kind of parts one. So it is called as apron. So this one we can call as apron one. So next one we can see tailstock. So tailstock here, the major one is a tailstock spindle clamp. This one, the tailstock spindle one. This one used for supporting of the workpiece one. So the workpieces we are fixed in the headstock one, and tailstock why we can use it for the tailstock means supporting of the workpiece one. So that purpose we can use it for the tailstock one. Tailstock spindle this one. So tailstock hand wheel this one. Hand wheel is rotating. Forward and backward one, not for forward clockwise anti-clockwise direction you can rotate to this wheel, and this spindle will move for forward and backward one. So next one is dead center. This one is sharp center, we can call as dead center one. The tailstock, this one is tailstock clamp lever one. This is offset screw one. So these are the tailstock parts one. So next one we can see these are the different types of parts we can see on lathe machine. So it is a very important point. So we see here these parts, very important parts. These one parts of the lathe machine. Some parts we are major parts we are discussing here. First one is bed, basic one. So basic part of the engine one, and basic part of the lathe one. So next one is carry is one. This one is headstock, tailstock, feed rod, and lead screw. So these are the very important parts you can see in the lathe machine. So these are the block diagram of each and every one. So carriage, major part of the carriage is used for move cutting tool along the lathe bed consists of the three parts you can see. So this majorly carriage is used for cutting tool along the lathe bed. So moving of the cutting tool, you can use it for carries one. So here carries consist of the three major parts: saddle, cross slide, and apron. We have three parts. So these are the parts of the. So it is a detail all parts of the lathe machine one. Each and every part we can see here. These two diagrams, closed diagram is what. So in this diagram you can see detail parts of the lathe machine. So next one is advanced lathe machine one, CNC machine. So these are the different kind of lathe machines one. So these are principal one. So it is our today class. So today class is introduction of the lathe machine. So what is the history of the lathe machine, and the principle of lathe machine one, and types of lathe machine one, and lathe parts one, and lathe components one. So it is our today class. Next class we will discuss about. So what is engine lathe one? So what is the working of the engine lathe one? So advantages, disadvantages, applications you can see for the engine lathe one. Next class we will discuss about. So it is a history about the first of all in 1300 BC only they introduced the in 1300 BC Egyptian. First of all they introduced the lathe machine in 2% based on 2% lathe. They developed first of all they introduced the lathe machine one. So after then 1300 BC onwards, after then they are developed, they are improved. The Romans improved the Egyptian design with the addition of the turning bow. So additionally they introduced the one bow one. So in Egyptian they are designing the 2% lathe one, but in the Romans they have improved the lathe machine with the addition of the turning bow. So the early bow lathe was also developed and used in the Germany one. So the bow also again they are Germany they are developed one. So in bow lathes also they are developed in Germany one, and France and Britain also. So they are developed, and we can get the present this lathe machine one, perfect lathe machine one, advanced lathe machines we can see nowadays. It is the history of the lathe machine. So next one is we can say principle of lathe. What is the major function of the lathe machine? Lathe machine are used to remove metal from the workpiece to require shape and size. So any one workpiece we want to remove in lathe machine. First of all, we can get the final output. We can get desired shape or required shape and size. Onwards, we can cut the workpiece from the lathe machine. That is the basic principle of the lathe machine. Lathe machine are used to remove the metal from the workpiece to require shape and size one. So next one is these are components, very important components of the lathe machine. Headstock, tailstock, you can see. So different types of components we can see in the lathe one. Different components are different types of parts we can see in the lathe machine one. Next one is we can see types of lathes, different types of lathes we can see in this one. So different types of lathes use for different kind of applications one. So next one is CNC also, you can see TNC lathes also. That's the lathe parts one. So it is our today class, Amma. Thank you, Amma.